can't see nothing because of your phone.
C.
You're like right in my blind spot, baby.
Right here?
Yeah, you were right in my blind spot.
Oh, where it was.
E. F.
God, all them trees are. They're supposed to be like that. They're down like this.
Turn left on South Kings Highway, then take the first right.
Oh, look at that big something. That big pirate over there.
N.
There's Denny's.
Turn right on 9th Avenue South. O.
Hmm.
P. Q. L.
We're gonna see one of South Carolina's big landmarks, Walmart. Yeah, you gotta have groceries.
Turn left on
You gotta have clean. You gotta have clean drinking water.
Bless their hearts, they lost their mattress.
Golly, you can see from the flooding here that they've had a week ago. About a month ago, and the water's still up around here, so it's kind of bad. You almost feel sorry for the people. I mean, they live here, but I mean, you know, sometimes you can't move out, so I mean, it's kind of rough. We're just coming in on vacation, and
in 1/4 mile, turn left on Highway 15.
Come in and see all this bad stuff and roads closed and all this stuff, debris on the side of the road. And the wind's actually pretty sturdy right now. It's going. It's going pretty heavy right now. It's looking a little better here, at least. You can still
turn left on Highway 15, then take the third right.
Third gas is only $2.57.
$2.57 for that gas.
Remember that gas.
Yeah, $2.57. What's the cheapest you've got gas around where you are? Please comment below. $2.57 here in South Carolina. That cool little place. What's ours where we live?
$2.69.
Ours is like $2.60, $2.69, something like that. So.
At least we're gonna have to get back on that main strip. Ooh, I'm chewing up sand.
Turn right on Pine Island Road.
Oh yeah, you probably will chew up a little bit of sand. Yeah, it's like gritty on your teeth and stuff, right? Just blows in from the wind blowing in. They don't look too bad on this road.
Well, we're a little further off.
In 1 mile.
You can actually see where down some of the little roads and the little places like that, just where sand is deposited. I guess where the water came in, and after it's receded out and evaporated, there's sand just sitting in the fields. So it's kind of crazy. But hopefully we won't get hit. There's actually a storm going up, but it's not where we are. We're kind of to the east of it. It's kind of, we got the high winds. We don't have any of the rain right now. So hopefully it'll keep going up, and hopefully it'll stop before it gets to Rhode Island. So one of my good friends doesn't get in the storm either. I don't know if he's straight above, but hopefully it don't get there. But I'm not too good on the states. My wife said yes, of course, Rhode Island straight above, but I think all the teachers just thought I was funny, so they let me pass. So that's the only reason I graduated. So
then turn right.
Phew.
I turned right too early.
Oh.
Maybe she'll have me at the detour somewhere.
Oh no, U-turn. Whoa. Oh no, here comes the cops.
It's like you can't U-turn right there.
Oh, okay.
Turn right on Pine Island Road.
On Pine Island
I
Road.
thought that one was one to keep on going straight.
You can see here that guy's shirt. Well, you can see it's blowing pretty hard. The wind. It's pretty crazy. We come out of our hotel after a pretty good night's sleep, which I didn't think we would because there's 2 beds for 2 grown-ups and 2 kids, and we did all right. And we woke up and it was blowing like everything outside. It was, phew, it was a little scary. The palm trees and the next to our hotel was just blowing and blowing hard. And
Hey, there's a mall.
there's a mall over there. That's pretty cool.
We might go there.
We might go there and do some shopping. I want to get my little boy a South Carolina Gamecocks shirt just for the
Navigate off-road.
just to let him have one. I'm a big college football and basketball fan, so if I see any whatever state I go to, sometimes I buy the
Oh, that's $2.49.
oh, there's $2.49 at Walmart. And if you if it's a Walmart gas, if you get a gift card and pay with the gift card, you actually get 3 cents off a gallon. So that's a little, probably everybody knew that. So like if you've got a Walmart and there's a gas station in the Walmart that's connected to it, go get you a gift card for the same amount that you were going to buy gas, and you'll actually get 3 cents off the gas gallon. Or that's the way, unless it's changed, that's the way it used to do for me. So we pulled into the big landmark here. It's Wally World. Oh! So as you can see here, the trees kind of blowing a little bit in the wind there. So, and then Charlotte pulls right. Bam! Right there. Thank you. Hopefully nobody will push their cart right on us. So that'll be it for this. I'll kind of walk around. We'll see what it looks like outside here. But I don't think it's too bad where we are. But we'll still kind of get. Ooh, that wind's blowing good. Goodness gracious. You can probably hear from the video that it's. Woo! Until next time, have a good one. This is us from Myrtle Beach.